Hi you guys, this is Natalie. Welcome to my channel. I'm making strawberry Nutella crepes today. So for this recipe we're gonna need pre-made crepes. Then we're gonna need roasted almonds, fresh strawberry. I'm gonna slice the strawberry, and banana. I'm gonna slice banana as well, and Nutella. So to make the nice and neat crepes, you're gonna need to spread a Nutella first really nice and neatly, just like that. Then top her up with sliced fresh strawberry. And then we're gonna top her up with couple bananas. You can put much more bananas. I sometimes make only with the strawberry and it's so good as well. Also you can put kiwis, whatever you desire, guys, whatever fruits you want. Top it up with almonds, roasted almonds, and you can put as much as you want. Also you can use a whipping cream on the top. I'm not a big fan of whipping cream, yeah. Anyway, and we're gonna finish it up with the roasted almonds and strawberry. Look how pretty it is. And now guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat not one, not two, probably three. Yeah, that's how much I love them. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.